Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Ignore this, you'll understand in a second. Today, obviously, is a get unready with me, kind of my nighttime routine, what I do right before I go to bed. So, enjoy.
Well, lighting, sorry, I just yawned. Lighting is terrible. I haven't done anything in this bathroom at all. That's original to when we bought the house. We've changed the inside lighting, but the outside, I'm just like, we're gonna be doing our bathrooms next year. Anyways, get unready with me. I get a lot of people asking me about this because I have acne issues and whatnot, so I wanted to get unready with you guys today. So I will show you everything that I use. First thing is put my hair out. Doesn't, just put it up. And then I'm gonna be using the CeraVe foaming facial cleanser. Now there is a moisturizing facial cleanser. I don't recommend that. It's pretty gross. It's like putting lotion on your face, but for some reason it kind of takes your makeup off, but not really. I don't really like it. So I'm gonna mess that around in my hands, put it on my face, get all in here, especially with my concealer right there. And then a lot of people are like, how do you not rub off your eyebrows? I just kind of go around like that. And then I get my hands a little wet, so it starts foaming now. And then I'll go on my eyes and take off my eye makeup. Just like that, avoiding the eyebrows. Okay, and then I'll wash my face. Like that. And then I'll take my little towel and just dab it off. Then this is benzoyl peroxide 10% wash. The cover label came off of it because I use it in the shower as well. But I use about this much and then put it all over my face. Put it on my forehead. I've been breaking out the most right here. Just weird little pimples there. And then I sometimes break out right here on my nose too. Avoid my eyelids. And then I will just let that sit on there while I brush my teeth. My favorite toothpaste is the Arm & Hammer Advanced White. It gets a little messy when I brush my teeth. I'm not a clean toothbrusher. Now I will take my Climdomycin topical solution on a little round pad. Now these are prescribed, so the benzoyl peroxide technically is not prescribed, but my dermatologist prescribed it to me, or suggested it rather, you know, but you can pick it up anywhere. Climdomycin, it is prescribed. And so I do all of this to my face. I get really good into my hairline because sometimes I'll break out, especially like right here, because I put my blush and stuff right here. So if I don't take it all off, I'm supposed to wait 20 minutes for that to just dry and dry out my skin. I get somewhat impatient with that. So I don't always wait 30 minutes or 20 minutes, but I will put the CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion on after that. And I kind of pack it on there. I let it really set in. And then I do put this on my eyelids, especially since it is fall. It is getting drier outside. I do like to put the lotion on my eyelids because I tend to notice that my eyelids are a little dry during this season. So then I will take my hair out and I will lightly brush all of the ends. I usually keep the top of it teased, but I'll just brush out all the ends. For top knot today, so I'm gonna take out those bobby pins and then just be very gentle. And then I part my hair down the middle when I sleep. Isn't that just the cutest thing ever? Okay, great. 20 minutes, fast forward, not really, it's been 2. I do 2 pumps of the CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion on my hands. And then I just do that, let it sit everywhere. Get it on my eyelids up here. And then whatever is on the rest, which I usually have extra, I will put on my elbows and my arms. Okay, now some nights I put RetinA on my face, and some nights I put Epiduo. Epiduo is also a prescription. It's adapalene and benzoyl peroxide. And then during the day, if I'm washing my face in the morning, I just put 5% benzoyl peroxide on spot treatment if I need it. So same thing with the Epiduo. You just want to do a spot treatment of this. So I just take the tiniest bit, and I have a couple of pimples right here on my forehead, and then I have a pimple right here. And the reason why I put my lotion on before I put this spot treatment on is if I don't, then it dries out my skin super quick. I like to put a layer of lotion on before I put my spot treatment on. So that's just what's helped me. That's my little trick on how to prevent your face from being dry after using a lot of acne medication, because the benzoyl peroxide really does make your face drier. It dries it all out. So if my face is really, really dry, then I'll use the moisturizing cream from CeraVe and not the lotion. So the cream is just a little thicker. And I'll just put a big old thick coat on my face. And the nice thing about this is 5 or 10 minutes after you put this lotion on, it sucks up into your skin and you can't even tell that it's on. So I'm gonna go get in my pajamas and we're gonna go to sleep.
So now we are in my wonderfully organized closet. I forgot to put those in my laundry hamper. Just took them off and threw them up there. You guys can't watch this part because it's inappropriate. But I will pick out some pajamas. Usually I wear an oversized t-shirt and some pajama pants. You like my lisp? I know, it's pretty great. Okay, I have my dad's tulle shirt on, which normally most of my oversized t-shirts are my dad's. And Christmas pajamas. Don't judge my closet. I have not figured out what I'm going to do in here yet. It's just a hot mess. Next step is getting some chapstick. I put on chapstick every night before I go to bed. This is just the classic. Just put a whole bunch of it on. Just like that. Put that there. And then I'm gonna go get some water. Since we don't have a kitchen right now, our bathroom is pretty much, I didn't clean, oh, see, so I didn't clean that, but our bathroom is pretty much our kitchen right now, our downstairs bathroom. It's all we use it for. Oh, and paint. See all that? That's our dishes. Terrible. And then I'll come downstairs and I'll turn off all the lights because my husband isn't great about doing it. He turns off most of them, but not all of them. And then I'll head back up. And then I usually drink a lot of water. I'll watch a couple YouTube videos, or a TV show. And then I usually turn on the Great British Bake Off, and that is what I go to sleep to at night. So I hope this is helpful for you, especially for the get unready with me portion of this. I'm not perfect. I don't do anything perfect. This is just my normal everyday life. And I don't know. I hope you guys enjoyed it. All right, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.